Alright, so I'm back. We're back testing. I need to set this up here. Okay, so coming into the first week of August. Let's go to hide nap bar. Okay, so we did Monday yesterday because it was the end of July. And I wanted to finish it off. We will now be doing Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of August, the first week. So coming into the monthly chart, right off the bat, you can see we inversed all this, so I'm pretty bullish on the monthly. Going on to a weekly, same thing, still bullish. We have this previous week high up there, taking out the previous week high there, but we have another previous week over there. Coming to a daily, just a bunch of consolidation, honestly, from this high to this low. 4 hour, we have this 4 hour over here that looks pretty decent. A little bit of a breaker as well, just a slight breaker. And then yeah, 4 hour fair value gap. So I'm still looking towards bullishness. We have this 1 hour inefficiency that we're tapping into and an order block right above it. So if we reject, we'll probably see a continuation lower. If we inverse it, we'll probably want to keep it higher. 15 minute. So we're in a good position. We're 10 a.m. news. Well, there goes that. Okay, let's see what we do here. We come up, tap the 15 minute. Or I mean the hourly order block above. 15 minute sell side sweep. A.m. news down there. Yeah, figured to do something like that. We couldn't get an inversion. But yeah, it's definitely gonna run that low out for sure. Maybe we have like a, if there isn't anything, but yeah, this 10 a.m. news low is good. They're taking it, and it keeps running. Honestly, we could take it. It'll be a 1-1. I'd put my stop right there. 1-1 would be right there, which would match with that lows. And honestly, yeah, I think I'm gonna take that. Probably would, honestly, maybe even. Because at 10 a.m., yeah, it looked too good. If there's SMT, it would be even better. There is a SMT with Tuesday. Eyes right there. Okay, that's kind of an A+ setup, honestly. We'll take it. We'll take it, honestly. But now I have hindsight information, so it's like, I'm not gonna do it. Whatever, I'm not gonna do it. But in a real setting, yeah, definitely would have taken that for sure. I should have probably like not sped through that quickly. Okay, we're dumping down. We have a potential 15-minute forming in 10 minutes. So 5 minute above us, 1 minute inversion. Okay, we tapping it. Now, if we want to see a continuation lower, it'd have to occur now. Okay, so we didn't have a 1 minute inversion, by the way. I thought we did, but we're running higher. I need to see a tap of something. Come into the PM. 4 hour tap above after rejecting that, so I want to see just the continuation higher. If anything, maybe form a 15-minute tap into this. There's also a breaker. There There's a break. That's actually really nice. We'll see if we can get some longs off that. Something like that might work. Ooh, that looks good. Is there close? Let's see close. Doesn't look like it, but when you zoom in, it is, and then you can see up here where it says low. They are equal. So that sucks, but that looks incredible. See, that's why you don't trade against equal lows. I'm telling you, man, this shit. Do we tap into a 5 minute there? Interesting price action, to say the least. If you look here, definitely interesting price action. Okay, let's see the 15 minute. We're about to inverse the 15 minute in a second. So we're rejecting off the 4 hour. Just a second little breaker right here. I had the little breaker for my gap. We have 2 minutes left of this 15 minute. Yeah, it inversed. So now I want to see a rejection lower. But we don't have like a 5, do we? Oh, this PA is funky. Okay, so we went higher, inverse, and re-inverse. So now I'm just looking for higher price action then. If that's the case. Let's see if we have an SMT somewhere. We have an SMT with these lows. Yeah, we do. Okay, so I mean, I'm looking for longs now. We could get a 5 minute tap like something. That's probably a 5 minute. Yeah, it's a 5 minute. Something like that would work. See if we can get this 1 minute inversion. Are you kidding me, my brother? What's going on here, dude? Alright, let's go to the next day. We had 8:15 a.m. news. High up here. Coming into the weekly. We're respecting this daily still. 4 hour, we've inversed majority of the, yeah, we've inversed all the 4 hours. On an hourly basis, we come up here. We have yet to inverse that hourly, but looks like we're bearish for this day. Fortunately, we don't really have any 15 minutes to trade off of, like up here. So it's down up there. So we're just gonna have to wait, but yeah, I figured just plummet, taking out the slow resistance liquidity, equal lows over here. Oh, come on, don't, come on. Figured we'd just plummet right off the open. Yeah, taking up out all our objectives, so that's great. Couldn't even get a 5 minute tap. Oh no, we did, but did we get an inversion? I still like longs, I mean shorts. Maybe we get like a 15 minute 10 a.m. open. even higher into it potentially. Oh, just plummeting. Find the tab. An inversion. That opened at 28. So 32. Expected. That one inverse, but now we have a 15-minute above. You see, in moments exactly like this is when I don't trade. Honestly, I don't take them. When we have this type of range, and we are such in a discount, we're not up here in this premium, and then we have a 15-minute above and a 5-minute tap like that, this trade can work one of two ways. We get the entry off that 4-minute, and we go straight down to our objective. Or we go straight up into that 15 minutes right here. And then from here, we go down. I'm not going to take it because it's too risky, but we'll see how it plays out. Okay, well, we did it. That's good. But I would have rather seen that 15 minute. That would have been a better entry. Yeah, let's go to the PM. Just a very dumpy day. Okay, we have an hourly right here that I'd like to see get tapped into. Oh, we tapped the daily. So up to all that sell side below us. So potential longs, honestly. We have a 15-minute right here. So is that a 15-minute tap? Nope, not yet. So I'm trying to get that 15-minute tap to tap into the hourly above us, but it's not being. All right, well, let's go to the next AM session here. 10 a.m. news. Coming into a daily chart though. Yeah, we might see a rejection. We may keep coming down, but I am still bullish overall. We have this high up here on a 4-hour basis, which is probably our target right now, honestly. Yeah, it's definitely our target. We do have equal lows right here, though. Relative equal lows, actually. We have a 5-minute. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, 5-minute tapped. Breaker right there. 4-minute right above. It's respected so far. Maybe we get that 15-minute tap right there, yeah. Where's that 15-minute? Inversed it, that's the thing. Okay, we have a 5-minute right above. It's icky PA, I mean, but then short plays out like this. There's not really much I can do here. Is that a 5-minute? Yeah, that's a 5-minute tap. Is that a 3-minute? It's a huge 3-minute. Yeah, I can't take that either. Let's go to the PM here. And we took our objective, like I told you. Okay. Now that we're there, we just gotta see how we keep moving here. Okay, I'm back. So now we're in this position where we're rejecting off this daily over here, and we're rejecting off this 4-hour up here. So we could honestly experience some consolidation unless it wants to keep pumping, but maybe we dump. I don't know. This is a position where I'm like, okay, just see whatever the market gives us, we'll trade it. We have this 15-minute up here. Tapped into it right now. I don't think we have an inversion to go higher at all. I was looking for an inversion. There's none, so I can't take it. Minute inversed. So unless we come up into like, I don't know, just keep grinding up higher, I guess. I mean lower, but I'm trying to see if we get some like any retracement. It's 15 minutes off. That looks strong. We're in this 15-minute. It's up to 5-minute right below us. We're in a predicament right now. Yeah, if it's gonna keep going higher, then I guess, or not. You see, this is why I said I'm gonna stay away for today. Look at this type of PA. Wow, that is horrible. Let's go to the Friday. This was some terrible PA, honestly. Monday was the only good day, and I should have taken that trade, but it's okay. Okay, so we're tapping into a daily above us right here and a daily below us right here. We'll just see whichever one is the correct one. We'll just have to wait for it to give us something. Okay, but you know, I'm favoring shorts, honestly. Main reason is because we have all this inefficiency up here, and then we're like respecting it, especially after taking that out. We have 6 a.m. news. Oh no, that's probably 10 a.m. news. Oh, 8 a.m. news. All right, cool. 8:30 right there. That's the 8:30 news low. No, technically, never mind. It's not. Alright, we'll just see then. We just have to see what it's a lot going on right now, a lot to unpack. We We inverted all this 15 and we're respecting this tiny 15 over here. On a 5-minute basis, we're respecting the 5-minute as well. I like it if it runs out this high up here and then we plummet potentially. If not, we'll just keep pumping up for the entire day. Okay, there's the plummet. We swept all that liquidity. We have no, we don't have an inversion on an hourly basis. Huge 5-minute though. It's like you can't really trade off that. Tapping into the 15. Oh, we're inverting the 15 as well as the 5-minute. It's 5-minute though, so I'm gonna wait for like a retracement higher. Okay, I can enter that. Let me see if I want to. So the trade would look like this. Stop loss above this. TP. We'll just do like, yeah, I guess this low over here. The 830 news low. But it's more so like a break-even trade if anything. But let's do. It's because I know I'm okay. Or plummeting. We did this already. That was like my TP1 sort of. So we're gonna take off just some so we can have something, you know. So we can have something on the day. We'll go break even. Just let it play out. Bang, baby. A little nice trade. What was that like a rack probably? 1.9. Yeah, a little good trade. I mean, to end up with the Friday. So the reason I took that trade was because one of the most powerful things I've noticed is in a 15 and a 5, when we get the inversion at the same time, right there, as you can see, we inverted this. Right there. We inverted that. That's the 15-minute chart, and then the 5-minute chart, we inverted this right here. And then we made a 5-minute order block. I'm looking at it forward, if that makes sense. I'm looking at it like way ahead of time. Like I'm planning the trade and I'm looking at this as a 5-minute order block. And then we have that 4-minute tap into this fair value gap, which is a balanced price range. And then we have an instant rejection lower, inversing all this and violating this order block. Sorry, this order block, yeah. So, and then I was gonna go break even as soon as we swept these lows, which we did. And then TP1 right there, have this inefficiency, and then and then final TP there at the, what time is that? 8:36. So it was a good little trade to end the week off. We still have a lot of time, so let's see what we do. A retracement higher. Let's see one more pump. Let's see it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we have a 2-minute right below. Let's see if we can get that 2 minute. But this is nice for short. I'm so glad we waited for that 2-minute. Ooh, that one looks even better, honestly. This looks very good for shorts. I don't want to risk the profits we made from today. But yeah, this definitely is going to work out. Ooh, that's why I'm not taking these. Back to back saying it's gonna work out and it didn't. That's crazy. I wonder how many people fucking took this live and kept getting stopped out. But I didn't take it because we already took out this loan into Friday. I'm not really expecting much. And I was waiting for that 2-minute inversion. This right here. because it's the higher time frame PD array. And if someone had entered off this 1 minute, like let's say I did enter off that 1 minute, my break even would have been hit instantly, because my break even would have been this 2 minute right there. So as soon as that candle went into this 2 minute, I would have went break even, because there's a risk of it still actually holding as a bullish PD array and pushing price up. So that ends the week off. It wasn't a rough week. It was all right. We made 1% on the account still, so it was a decent week, I guess you could say. I was expecting more, honestly. But let's just see how we continue here on this day. Let's go on a 15-minute chart. Honestly, do we keep pushing higher? Because that's what it looks like we're gonna want to do. So yeah, pretty good week, I guess you could say. We were pretty accurate for the most time, and we've been looking for only A+ setups. Okay, let's go on to the next. Or what time is it? I gotta go to the gym. We'll get back to this when we come back, but let's go to the navigation bar. Analytics, we are up 40%, 39.27, so we're almost at 40%, but we are beating our 2023 stats the first time around. So, and we have 4 months left of price action. We have August. Here it tells you. We have August, September, October, November. So we have 5 months left of price action. Yeah, I'm excited to see how we finish. I'm hoping we double this. That's what I want to go for. Double this and have a win rate of 70% plus, because that's the truest version of myself trading. That's how it is. I know I got a 70% win rate. My average RR, sure, we'll keep it at 1.44, I guess. I don't know. I target bare minimum 1-to-1s, 100% 1-to-1s. So we've been focusing on A+ setups, just strictly A+ setups, and we've been doing that since July. Honestly, the first few months, like we were trading pretty aggressively, and we were trading a lot of B range setups, and those are like, I don't know. I think those are what really hurt my win rate going into this. Like I was trading off of, I know for a fact I took about 10 trades, 15 trades maybe, where I wasn't rejecting off anything. I was just going off of like liquidity. Like I wasn't going off of inefficiencies or anything that has rejection power. I was going off of like reversals mainly, and I'm not a reversal trader. I don't know why I was doing that for some time, but yeah, I know for a fact like at least 10 of these red days were because of that. And yeah, we had a rough start, dude. January was rough, but nonetheless, as you look here, you could tell that we prosper, and the equity curve just keeps increasing. It'll never keep decreasing. It will always increase. I'll see you guys when I get back.